one thing that I've realized is that you guys are really enjoying the videos whereby I'm giving out the apps that you can be able to make money, and that simply means that I'm giving out the apps that really works. So I have already given more than maybe 4 apps that you can be able to make money online. So if you want to go and check those videos, you can be able to, or maybe you can go after watching this video, because on this video I'm still going to give you an app that can make you have some cash. But then this app is based on 2 categories that you can be able to make money. So if you are someone who really likes to play video games on your phone, you can be able to make money, because on these apps we are going to be able to show you that you can be able to make money by just playing games on your phone, and also you can make money on surveys. So before we continue with this app to show you exactly step by step how you can be able to do this, I just wanna give you an outline of this app, how many people have downloaded this app, so that you can be able to trust it, to see that there's a lot of people who are using this kind of app. So never mind me, because I have my laptop right over here, so I will be checking the stats on this laptop. And everything that I will be looking at my laptop, I will make sure that I put those screenshots right on the screen, so that you can be able to see what I'm looking on my laptop. So right now, let's just check the stats when it comes to this app. How many people have been downloading this app and using it? Over 10 million people are downloading this app and use it on a daily basis, and also it has so many reviews. So let's check the reviews. The reviews, it has 1,196,036. That's a lot of people who are using this app, and also who are leaving the reviews. So out of all the reviews that are more than 1 million, this app have received 4.3 stars. It is an app that you can rely on, and also they are going to pay you that money after making it. It's not a scam, please trust me. I also use it, even though that it's a little bit of hard work that you have to push it, because it's a hard work that keeps you sweating, and also be on your cell phone most of the time for a little bit of money. But in order to make a lot of money, you need to take those little amount of money to accumulate them all to make some bigger cash. Now that we just have spoken about the app, how many downloads and also the reviews that it has, and you can be able to rely on this app, now we just have to find out where can you find this app. This app, you can find it onto Android, and also you can find it on iOS, which is iPhone. We all know that. So after that, you can go to your Play Store or your own app store, whereby you can be able to download apps on iOS to download this app. This app, I know I haven't really mentioned the name, but the name of the app is Paul Pay. So you just have to go and search Paul Pay. It's just going to appear, and then download it. After download it, this is the page that you are going to land on. You can see how happy that guy is. So we're just going to make some cash. I'm kidding. But then you are going to land on this page whereby it says welcome to Paul Pay. So if you check right below that person, there is a next button. So if you click that next button, is whereby they're just going to show you the out layer of the app. How does the app look like once you are signing up from the app? So you can do those next, but then it's not important. We're just going to go deeper into details inside the app. So all you need to do right now is to make sure that you click on skip to signing in. So after clicking right there, you're just going to land on this page whereby it says you have 3 options to log inside the app. The first option is signing in with your Google account, and then the second one, which is signing in with your Facebook account, and the last one, which is sign in with referral code. So I will advise you that you should use the referral code, mainly because it's just going to receive a bonus amount of money, which is 0.25. It's a little bit of amount of money, but you can be able to receive it once you click on that button. Once you click on that button, you're going to land on the page whereby you need to insert the referral code. So I'm going to leave the referral code right over here, or you can go on the description down below. I will leave the link and also the referral code that you can be able to use, so that you can redeem your plus $0.25 once you start this app. If you use our referral code, you're just going to receive a special offers. The task that you are going to get a little bit of money more than the regular account that you are going to sign in. So please make sure that you hit the link on the description so that you can get these special offers and also the bonus when you start using the app. After you have signing up using my referral code or clicking on the link on the description below, this is the page that you are going to land on. So you are going to land on this page. Like I said, that we have two categories that you are going to look for, is whereby you are going to complete surveys and also playing games. So we're just going to start firstly about playing games. If you really like to play games and earn some extra cash, please make sure that you stay up until the end of the video so that you can be able to understand and also follow the steps so that you can be able to make an extra cash. If you guys can see at the top right over there, they say $0. It's only because I did withhold my money, but there are screenshot that is going to show you that there are amount that I had. So I had to withdraw the money so that I can be able to have assurance that this app works. So I did get my money. So on this section, we are under earnings. So let's just click on play games and start earning. So after there, that's whereby you are going to land on this page whereby they're just going to welcome you on this space whereby you're just going to play some games and earn some extra cash. So all you need to do is to press the accept button down below. After that, you're still going to say whereby they're just going to tell you that you collect your reward now and start earning for every minute you play by activating time tracking in your preference. You just have to activate now. After activating now, you're just going to receive 3 games that you need to install so that you can make some extra cash. So that game is going to be linked to Pay so that you can earn money while you still playing the game. So the game that they have is Last Fighter, Last Survivor, and Smash Journey. So all you need to do is to make sure that you choose above those 3. They only have 3, but the more you play is the more they are going to give you an extra or more games that you can play, and you are just going to have more options in which game that you prefer to play, whether you prefer to play blocks, whether you prefer to play fighting, you prefer to play any games. So the more you play, the more they can give you more options. If you see on the top right over there, we have what we call a catalog. That's where you can see your games that you are going to play, which is 3 games that they are offering you right now when you start using the app. But the more you use the app, that's the more they are going to give you more options on which game that you can be able to play. Next to it, we have my games. So if you have uploaded games, you're just going to receive your games. So you're going to see the games that you are installed right there. So as you guys can see that there are no games. I did uninstall the games because of the space. I needed the space to record this video, so I had to delete or uninstall those games. As you guys can see, that's how simple it is to make some extra cash while we are playing games using this app. So I did explain, it was a bit short, I know. I did make sure that I outline everything that. So let's go to the next category, which is completing surveys. So you just have to click on completing surveys, and then thereafter you are going to land on this page. So down below, you're just going to press accept. After pressing accept, they're just going to ask you some few questions. Those are not difficult questions, but then they say if you are dishonest, answering will lead to not receiving or losing reward and might get your account blocked. So I don't know how do they going to know that you are lying or what, but to be on a safe side is just be honest. There is nothing to lie on, or there's nothing to lose if maybe you are being loyal or whatsoever, but just be honest. So the simple question that they are asking is more like, what language do you speak, what gender are you, your birthday. So they're just going to ask for your postcode, and then the last one, they just going to ask for your highest level of education you have completed. So and then thereafter you're just going to earn some extra cash. Normally they just give out $0.35 for just completing that within less than a minute. So you can imagine the more surveys that you can do, you can earn some extra cash. That's how simple it is to make some extra cash using this. So if there's any survey that you need to complete, you need to turn on your post notifications so that if there's any surveys that you need to complete, then they are going to notify you by notification that there's a survey that you need to complete. Then you have to go inside the app and complete the service. That's how simple it is. But there are some factors that you need to know when it comes to this app. So let's jump straight to those factors. The other one, like I said, we're in the category of earnings. If you can check right down below. So right now, we're just going to go to withdrawal method. So the withdrawal method that they use, as you guys can see on the screen right now, they are using PayPal, but they have a minimum threshold of $10. So before you make a $10, you can't be able to withdraw your money. But once you reach $10, you can be able to withdraw your money using PayPal. But I know on the screen right now, they just showed you only PayPal, but there are other methods that you can be able to use. Methods like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and other coins that you can be able to use to withdraw the money from your Pay that you made by just completing the surveys or maybe by just playing games. There are some gift cards that they can giving out. The most popular gift card that they are giving out is the one that is being used by many apps, which is Amazon gift card. They can able to offer you that one. And then thereafter, if you guys can see, we are going to the section of discovery. So when you go to the discovery section is whereby you're just going to be able to ask any questions that you need answers from. Let's say maybe you are experiencing technical problems, you can go and ask them, I'm having difficulties when it comes to technicals, then they are going to answer you. So the most popular question that the people are using or maybe people are asking is more like technical problems, payout issues, survey issues, games and offerings issues, data privacy, and also about the account. So mostly for me, I've never had any problem, so I've never used this section. But if it might happen that there's something don't come to me, go straight to this discovery whereby you just go, they are going to answer you and help you out, trust me. Let's jump to other section, which is leaderboard. So leaderboard is whereby you can make some more extra cash, and also remember to use my referral code or click on the link on the description, because this is whereby you are going to earn some more money if you use my code. And up to $25 every week by completing survey and reaching the top 100 on our weekly leaderboard. So I will show you those top 100. So the highest one that they have is $32. So the person that is the highest has made $32, and then they are going to reward him or her with the extra $25. You can imagine it's about $57 in just a week. So you can be able to make some other cash. So your name might maybe appear right over here, but they are not using names. They are only showing the numbers of rewards, and also they're just going to write anonymous 1 to 3 up until 100. So make sure that you become part of those 100 people who are doing well when they are using this app. Let's jump to this other category or this side of referral. Referral is another way that you can be able to make some extra cash. And also, as you guys can see, this one I haven't used, I'm using it right now. Click on the link on the description or use my referral code on the screen right now so that I can make some extra cash, and also so that you can be able to get a 50% reward commission on your friends discover a $0.25 starting bonus. So that's the bonus that you are going to get if you use my link or use my code referral. So that's another way that you can be able to make some extra cash. So you are going to get a $0.25 bonus, and you can make sure that you use your referral. They can give you, after using my referral, they can give you your own referral that you can refer other people, and also you can be able to make some extra cash. So guys, if you guys can check on your top right over there are 3 dots. If you click on those 3 dots, this is what you are going to land on. So I'm going to hide my names right over there. I'm sorry, this some personal confidential information. So number 1, we have referral, friends, and also we have help, we have notification, we have language, we have privacy, we have terms and news, we have account information, we have reward history, we have revoke privacy, we have delete account. If you don't want to use this thing, you can just still go and delete your account, then they are going to forget about you. And also signing out, and also dark mode. So the refer a friend, I just explained it. Just use my code, and then you are going to get a bonus of $0.25, and then thereafter they can give you another reward that you can reward other people so that you can make an extra cash. And then again on help, that's where you can ask any questions, then they are going to help you out with the difficulties that you are expressing at the current moment. And then the notification, you need to make sure that you turn the notification on so that if there's any surveys, they can be able to notify you. The language, we're all using English, so just make sure that you choose English. The privacy terms and use, you can go through them and they will explain it furthermore. That's how easy it is to make some extra cash using Pay. So there are apps. The reason why I'm not giving out so many apps is because I want to test them first so that I can be able to share them with you to know that it is very trustworthy to use the app. So if you watch this video up until the end, please comment down below another app, or I appreciate it. Anything that you can comment, and also you can ask any question. I do answer everyone who comment on my videos, so you can go and check it out. I don't ignore anybody, I answer everyone. So right now is the end of the video, but they say videos on my screen. Please make sure that you click one of them, because there are various choices that you can make, whether you click on the first one that you see or what. I will see you on those videos.